Hello everyone, welcome to Bio with Shruti. This is me Shruti Pillai. Welcome to another session of biology for competitive exams. This is an NCERT biology session. So we will be covering NCERT Science Class 6 Chapter 2. Waste is eliminated in the body through urine, in the form of urine as well as sweat. Now water is provided through different liquids, right? That is simple water or through milk, tea, fruit juice. Even when we cook food, we add water. What is a balanced diet? Very important. We all need balanced diet. A diet is said to be balanced when it has all the required amount of nutrient, plus it contains a good roughage as well as water. So roughage means it should include fruits, vegetables as well as water also. Now there are chances when there is loss of nutrient in the food item. Now how does it take place? Through the process of cooking or while preparation, some of the amount of nutrient is lost, right? We all agree that. Also when we wash vegetables or when we cut or peel them, there is loss of some vitamins. Now where are these vitamins found? All the vitamins and minerals you will find in the skin covering of fruits as well as vegetables. Also when you repeatedly wash rice as well as pulses, it also removes some vitamins as well as minerals. And even when you cook any food item for a long time, there is loss of certain nutrients. So when you use excess water when you cook, there is loss of useful proteins as well as minerals. Even vitamin C is also destroyed when you heat a lot. When you cook something and when you're heating it, vitamin C is lost. For example, tomatoes. Okay, it is rich in vitamin C. So when you cook a lot, I hope this is clear, guys. Kindly note it down. Anyhow, I'll provide you the PDF for this session. What is obesity? So it's a medical condition where excess fat is accumulated in your body and it has an adverse effect on the health. That is bad effect. I'll give you an example. Have you heard about this term called as body mass index? So what is body mass index? It is a measure of fat, okay, present in your body with respect to your height. That is, what is your height and what is your weight. Based on that, how much fat is accumulated in your body. So that calculation is called as body mass index. So there's a certain requirement of fat in your body. For example, if the body mass index is less than 18.5, you're underweight. If it is between 18.5 to 24.5, you're normal. If it is above, it is overweight. Then you have severe obesity, morbid obesity, super obesity. Guys, before continuing with the session, if this is helpful, do give it a thumbs up. It will pay my efforts. There is deficiency in all these nutrients that we've mentioned. It causes several disorders. So we will also see what kind of disorders. For example, if I talk about lack of protein, it leads to stunted growth. That is, what is stunted growth? There is no development further. It stops. The growth stops. There is swelling of face, something like that. There is discoloration of hair. This happens, guys, because hair also needs a protein called as keratin. Skin needs a protein called as melanin. Correct? There are several skin diseases. Protein is very, very important. Okay, there are many skin diseases that is caused because of lack of protein. Diarrhea. Have you heard about Kwashiorkor disease and marasmus disease? Kindly tell me the difference between Kwashiorkor and marasmus. This is a question for you. Comment and let me know. I've already made a session about this. I've told you a session for human diseases. I've covered this question. It's a very important question, guys. Kindly comment and let me know. Okay. Now, if there is deficiency in carbohydrate and proteins for a long time, then it stops the growth completely because there is no energy, there is no protein building source. Body becomes very lean, thin, weak, that the person will become unable to move. Deficiency of vitamins and minerals also causes several disorders. So it can be only prevented by balanced diet. This is a very important chart. As I told you, I've already covered this in my MCQ session. All the questions, important questions related to this topic, I've covered. So I highly recommend you to watch that session. I'll put the link in the description. Title is Human Diseases and there are several parts. Okay. You can see there are list of vitamins. For example, vitamin A. Now, if there is lack of vitamin A in one's body, then it leads to loss of vision. Symptoms are poor vision, loss of vision and darkness. The person is unable to see at night. Sometimes completely there is loss of vision. The person cannot see anything, literally nothing. Then vitamin B1, when there is deficiency of vitamin B1, there is a disease called as beriberi disease. What is beriberi? It leads to weak muscles and there is very little energy to work. Something like that. The muscles become very weak. Beriberi disease. Vitamin C, it leads to scurvy. Very important, guys. Now symptoms are bleeding gums and wounds also take longer time to heal because during this disease. This is scurvy. These kind of questions are always asked. They can be asked in the form of match the columns or MCQs. So kindly please make a note of this and do revise it. Vitamin D. So the deficiency of vitamin D causes rickets. So in this case the bones become very soft and it bends. Like this is a normal person's leg and this is a person with rickets. So this is how it looks. It bends. If there is deficiency of calcium, then there is decay of bone and tooth. It slowly starts degrading, breaking down, so it leads to weak bones, tooth decay. Decays, it starts degrading. Iodine, if there is deficiency of iodine, there is a disease called as goiter. Okay, I'll tell you what is goiter, guys. Basically, there is thyroid glands, or you must have heard about Adam's apple here. Okay, so there are glands in the neck, thyroid glands. They appear swollen when there is this disease, that is goiter, because of deficiency of iodine. See, we saw in minerals now how iodine, phosphorus, iron, calcium, all these are important. So when there is deficiency of iodine, it leads to goiter. It also leads to mental disability in children. I'll show you the image. See, thyroid gland, how it swells. This is how it looks when a person is suffering from goiter. Next, iron. When there is deficiency of iron, there is a disease called as anemia. So there is weakness. You can literally see the difference. This is a person with anemia and this is a normal person's hand. Guys, if you don't know what is anemia, though I've already covered, anemia is a condition where there is decrease in the amount of RBCs, that is red blood cells. Now red blood cells has a respiratory protein pigment called as hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is a protein, right? And hemoglobin is rich in iron. So when there is deficiency in iron, there is deficiency in hemoglobin. When there is deficiency in hemoglobin, hemoglobin is the one which carries oxygen and it brings into red blood cells. So there is decrease in the oxygen. Let's summarize the entire thing that we've seen today. We saw what are the major nutrients: carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamin, mineral, dietary fibers as well as water. There is one more thing, roughage. It's not a nutrient. Okay, it only helps to remove the undigested food. Carbohydrates and fats are major sources of energy. Both are rich source of energy, but carbohydrate is the main source of energy and fats is a rich source of energy. So both are energy providing food. And minerals, if I talk about proteins, these are body building nutrients. We also need minerals. Both are important for growth and maintenance of body. Vitamins are very much important for protecting our body from various diseases. Just now we saw that table. Balanced diet is a diet where we have all the nutrients with adequate amount of roughage as well as water. And if there is deficiency in these nutrients, then there are several disorders as we had seen before. I hope you found this lecture easy, guys. If this was helpful, do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all the notification.